In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in Xero Accounting Software. Knowing how to properly log out of Xero is a small but important part of keeping your financial data secure, whether you're working in an office, at home, or on a shared device. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to look and what to click, so you can confidently sign out every time you finish using Xero. First, make sure you're already logged into your Xero account and that you're on any main page within the software, such as your dashboard or homepage. The sign out option is always accessible from the same place, no matter which area of Xero you're working in, so you don't need to navigate to a special settings page before you begin. Now, look toward the top right corner of your Xero screen. Up there, you'll see your profile area. This is usually represented by a small profile icon, which might be a circle with your initials, a generic avatar, or an image if you've uploaded one. This profile icon sits on the upper right side of the navigation bar, above the main content of the page. Move your mouse to that profile icon and click on it. When you click, a small drop-down menu will appear underneath. This menu contains quick account-related options such as your profile details, settings, and the option to log out of Xero. Within this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Logout. It's typically listed clearly, often near the bottom of the menu, to make it easy to find. Take a moment to read the options so you don't accidentally click something else, like your profile or account settings. Once you've located Logout, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do this, Xero will end your current session and redirect you away from your account, usually back to the login page. This confirms that you've successfully signed out. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's a good habit to also close the browser tab or window after logging out. This adds an extra layer of protection and helps ensure that no one else can access your financial information. And that's all you need to do. By clicking your profile icon in the upper right and then selecting Log Out from the drop-down, you can safely and quickly sign out of Xero